Example number 2. Solve 3p squared equals 6p minus 1. We recall that in order to make quadratic equation, we need to make one side 0. In this problem, we will minus 6p and plus 1, so that we get one side 0. Then 3p squared minus 6p plus 1 equal to 0. We can get the ABC now. The ABC we got is after we solve and we got the 0 on one side. The formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And then we will plug in the number. The variable that we need to solve for this problem is p, okay? So your b is negative of negative 6 plus minus square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1 and divided by 2 times 3. Now we simplify the in the bottom, so we get the answer is 6, and the outside is positive 6 also. Inside the square root, we need to simplify the one before the minus and the one after the minus. So before the minus we got 36, after the minus we got 12. Then 36 minus 12 is 24. And then we need to simplify the 24. We're gonna break 24 as 4 times 6. Then square root of 4 is 2. And square root of 6 still stay inside the radical for the 6. Now we will factor out the GCF, that is 2. Then we got 3 plus minus square root of 6 divided by 6. Then we can simplify the 2 and the 6. We got the answer is 3 plus minus square root of 6 and divided by 3. Because 2 go to 6 is 3 times. Example number 3. This is not quadratic equation yet, but you see that every time we learn a equation that has a fraction, we need to get rid of the denominator. The LCD is m, so the m have to be different from 0 is the domain, right? Then we will multiply both sides by the LCD. The LCD is m. Now we distribute, we're gonna get 9m squared plus 4 equal 12m. Then we need to make the 0 so that we can get the ABC. We will minus 12 both sides, minus 12m both sides. Then we get the 0 on one side. We will arrange in the way that the square go first, and then the letter m, and then a number. Then A will be 9, B will be negative 12, and C will be positive 4. The formula is negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. And then we'll plug in the number. So negative of negative 12 plus minus square root of negative 12 squared minus 4 times 9 times 4 divided by 2 times 9. We simplify the inside the radical and the outside also. So in the bottom is 18. The outside on the top is 12 plus minus the inside. So 1 and 2, 12 square is 144. And then minus 4 times 9 times 4, we get the answer is 144 also. Then square root of 0 divided by 18. Then we got 12 plus 0 or minus 0 divided by 18. If you separate 12 plus 0 or 12 minus 0, the answer is still 12. Then we get just one answer in this case, is 12 over 18. And we simplify the fraction divided by 6 for top and bottom. So we get the answer is 2 over 3. So the solution set is only 2 over 3 for this problem. Example number 4 is already in the form, then A is 1, B is -4, and C is 13. Then we use the formula y equal -b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we plug in the number negative of -4 plus minus -4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 13 divided by 2 times 1. Then we simplify the number. So 16 for -4 squared, and 4 times 13 is 52. Then 16 minus 52 is -36. We learn how to simplify the negative square root. We will separate -1 and positive 36. Then y equal 4 plus minus I times square root of 36 is 6 divided by 2. Now we can factor out the 2 on the top, so we get 2, because I saw the 2 in the bottom, plus minus 3i over 2. Now we can cancel out the 2. Then we got 2 plus minus 3i.